Want to delete all chat history from ChatGPT? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to delete all chat's history. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to chatgpt.com, or you can open the ChatGPT app. Make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on these two lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, you want to tap on your username. Now, select the option of settings. Once you're on your settings, tap on data controls. Now you will have the option of delete all chats. If you only want to archive your chat, then you can archive all chats from here. But if you want to delete all chats, go ahead and tap on this red delete all option. Now it's going to ask you for confirmation. Go ahead and tap on confirm deletion. Once you do that, all of your chat history will be successfully deleted, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.